Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can watch Instagram story anonymously. So is it possible to watch Instagram story anonymously? So unfortunately, there is no way to watch Instagram story anonymously. So when you view Instagram story, the person who posted it will be able to see that you view it. However, there are few ways to reduce the chance of the person who posted the story knowing that you view it. So you can try. But the first one is you can try to turn off your read receive. You can go to your settings and here find privacy, or here you can just go to this messages and story replies under the how others can interact with you, and here is the show read receipt. So you need to turn this off because it will prevent people from seeing that you've read their messages, including Instagram stories. And the second one is that if you can view the story from a private account. So if you have a private account, the person who posted the story will only be able to see that you view it if they follow you back. Okay, so the third one or the last one is that you can use a third party app. So there are a number of third party apps that claim to allow you to view Instagram stories anonymously. However, these apps often violate Instagram term of service and might not be safe to use because you need to log in. You need to enter your login info to the app. So it is important to know that Instagram is constantly updating its term of service and features. So it is possible that these methods will no longer work in the future. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.